testing this Dura here. We're seeing how well this foam is holding up. So okay. Now, when we've got the foam, when there's no foam, so you can rip off pretty large pieces, right? But the pieces around the foam, yeah, they also rip off. But they're a little bit harder, they're quite hard to rip off than anything else. So you've got some foam down here. Foam down here, and it's not letting me rip off these places because the foam has bound this to it. And only when you pull it off like that does it actually pull off. So it is binding it together, and it's providing some support, but it's a lot better than it was before, but still you're going to be able to rip this off.